really been trying hard to cut the toxins from our lives. It's nearly impossible, and you can't cut them all. But all the little things we can do, I believe, really can add up to a more healthier us. Using aerosol spray deodorizers or sweet fake stuff to make our homes smell fresh, like clothes on the clothesline, right? They're just chemicals lurking in our homes. I left those behind years ago, including toxic candles. This morning, I'll show you how I naturally and beautifully refresh my entire home. People ask me all the time, "How does your house smell so good?" Or "Did you bake an apple pie?" This is my back of the stove potpourri. I've been using it for years. I look for fruit when it's on sale, and I buy 1 or even 2 bags. Generally, I like oranges, apples, lemons. They are the most fragrant. I simply chop them up in small pieces and put them in a Ziploc baggie and store them down in my freezer, and we use them as needed. This keeps the fruit from going bad, so you can use it a long time. It's a great, healthy, inexpensive way to create a beautiful, fresh-smelling home. Now, Lou and I don't eat much fruit these days, but this is a way that we can enjoy at least the aroma of it. Now, I use lemon for a lot more than just this potpourri. So while I was at the cutting board, I did chop up a few more lemons, and I keep this little lemon container filled with them in the refrigerator. I use them for butter sauces on fish, salmon, shrimp, and also for over my broccoli, chicken, whatever you like. I fill a pot. Here today I'm simply using a stainless steel pot, but I also purchased a little old copper pot from an antique store that I use regularly on the back of my stove. I'm sure you've seen it there in many videos. See if you can find yourself a pretty decorative pot with a lid at an antique store. I love copper or something with a pretty floral pattern, something you'll enjoy looking at every day. So even this little back of the stove potpourri pot will bring your kitchen joy. Fill the pot with water, add several pieces of your fruit, a good handful. Add some cinnamon, cloves, a cinnamon stick, some apple pie spice, or I love pumpkin spice. I even add a little bit of imitation vanilla. I don't like to use my good stuff here. Turn your burner on high to get it started. Let it come to a rolling boil. Then turn it on low and let it go and steam all day long. If the water gets low, simply refill. This potpourri should last you 5 days or more. Simply adding a few additional pieces of fruit and a little bit more spices if you like. Give it a good stir because sometimes the spices fall to the bottom. You will be so happy with the fresh, lovely scent this back of the stove potpourri adds to your entire home. Words of advice. Remember to turn it off if you leave the house, and second, put a lid over it when you're done using it. Many of you have asked how Lou and I plan to clean our home. Hire a cleaning lady or do it ourselves? Well, I'll be honest with you, we have had a cleaning lady for over 30 years. Reason being, I was diagnosed early on in our marriage with a debilitating neurological illness. I could not keep the house sufficiently clean, prepare dinner, raise our children, and work at home teaching voice and piano lessons privately. It was a difficult time for us. We needed help. But over the past few years, I have been in and out of remission. I've been feeling really well since our weight loss, and we decided to do our own housekeeping for as long as we can. Lou is a tremendous help. He actually enjoys cleaning more than I do, and so far we have done very well keeping things neat and tidy. I do try to make our bed every day, as our door is open and right on the main floor, and people can see it as they come and go in our home. And it's a wonderful feeling at the end of the day to walk into a beautifully tidy, fresh bedroom and a nice, fresh bed. I'm still on the lookout when I go to antique stores to find some beautiful artwork and some pieces for our walls. We have very high ceilings, and right now we have nothing on the walls. We have nothing still on the windows, but I hope to get that done in the near future. open up the windows, let the sunshine in, and just go on with my day.
One of the big projects I have coming up is this summer house, and I'm not going to do it today because it's going to be a big deal. We're going to put the indoor-outdoor carpeting on the floor like we had in the other screened-in porch. I just think it gives a really nice, warm, homey kind of look. Like it's really another room, an extension of the house. And then, I just have to look at this porch really carefully and understand it, and try and understand where the furniture is best going to look. Maybe, I don't think all of this furniture is going to work out here. We do have a front porch, so maybe some of it will end up outside on the front porch. I'm not sure, or we may buy a couple of new chairs for out there. Maybe even down around the pool, some of them. I'm not sure. I'm just not sure. But I'm not going to handle that today. Oh, look what I found. See if you guys remember this. Remember the summer house sign? Yeah, that's going back up. And I bet you know exactly where it's going. It's going to go right there, right across that beam. Yeah, looking forward to it. It's beautiful. It's warm and sunny out here today. I am so ready for my summer house. On all my upcoming videos, I'd like to take out just a couple seconds of time in the video and just share with you something that has helped me in my homemaking, helped me in my cooking, helped me in my personal life. Maybe it's a cosmetic, maybe it's a new hair product, or maybe it's a new piece of jewelry I found at a really good price, or maybe it's a pair or more of shoes. All right, today it's all about shoes. Remember last video was all about that hydration drink. Still drinking it, still love it. But today I found a couple pairs of shoes at Sam's Club. Now we only joined Sam's Club since we moved down here because there's no Costco. There's no Costco here. So I'm trying to get over that. I'm trying to just take a deep breath. I'm trying to get over it. There is a BJ's, but it's a little further away. But Sam's Club, although not right around the corner, is definitely close enough. Well, anyway, I have done a deep dive into Sam's Club because we have been there many times, and I came across their shoes. Now, let me just preface this with, I have the worst feet ever. I do. I mean, they're cute feet. They really are, especially with nail polish. I will say that. At least my husband says that. Come on. But they just hurt. They just hurt all the time. So I'm always looking for shoes that will bring me comfort and fashion because I love shoes. I love handbags. And don't be surprised if a lot of my little tidbit moments are shoes and handbags and makeup because I just love all that stuff. And I don't know if you knew that about me, but you surely do now. Anyway, let me show you these beautiful sandals that I got at Sam's Club. These are black sandals. They have these beautiful little gold, I don't know what you call them. They're not clasped. They don't really work. They're just decorative features on the shoe. Really cute. They have a nice thick sole. Very, very comfortable. I wear them all day long. They're extremely comfortable and I love them. Now the cream color. They only come in two colors, black and cream. They are so adorable. Run, don't walk to your nearest Sam's Club and find these shoes. Now we were just there again last night and I walked by just thinking, hey, maybe they have red or brown or something, but no, they only have these two colors and they still have lots of them at my Sam's. So you might want to try that out if you're a Sam's Club member, and actually it might be worth joining just for these shoes. That's how good they are. But I'm not done yet because I found more shoes. Hold on. Now these brown shoes look a lot like the Birkenstock, you know, which I really don't care for. They're never comfortable on my feet. But these are so soft. They're so soft. There's just enough squishiness, and the little, you know, bumps and lumps that are in them, you know, that kind of recreate the bottom of your foot, they work perfectly for my feet. Sometimes the Birkenstock, I don't know, they just, it's like they make them for everyone else's feet but mine. These are the cutest shoes. I just love them. I just love them. And I will say, in both pairs of shoes, I did go up a half a size. I normally wear 8.5. They don't come in halves. So I went up to the 9, and they are just fine. They are really lovely. Now, let me show you. I wanted something a little bit different than your classic black sandal, white sandal. So just like that same sandal I just showed you, I will show you now. Really, really cute colors. Watch this. These purple shoes are so adorable. Lavender, they're like a soft purpley lavender color. They fit just like the brown ones. They're the identical shoe. They just come in a different color. And I just happen to have, I just bought a purple lavender t-shirt. And so that with a pair of white jean cutoffs and these shoes and a nice tan, you know, we're sitting around the pool, and I think that's gonna make for a wonderful, comfortable summer. Now, keep in mind, friends, I'm not getting any money paid from these little tips and tricks that I'm going to be showing you. And if I do, if it is a product that was sent to me, and we get these things as YouTubers every single day, sometimes 5, 6 will come in, you know, can we send you this product, and will you look at it, and will you try and sell it on your, how many times have you seen me do that? How many times? I mean, I don't like to do that. But there's some interesting things that have been coming in lately, so I don't know, maybe I'll change my mind on that, maybe not. But I can guarantee you that if I do that, if I ever do go that way and show you a product, I am absolutely going to be head over heels in love with that product. All right.
In all my 60-some years, I have never had a front porch. It was always something on my very, very long wish list. I can't wait to get some comfy, homey chairs out here to relax on a warm summer evening with a frosty cold glass of iced tea with lemon. Oh, that has been a dream for a very, very long time. We have an incredible mountain view from here up on the hill our house sits on. And I love sitting out here and just looking at it. It's just a beautiful, beautiful view. Recently, we had some lovely new landscaping done. We decided to switch out doing constant mulching and just put in some attractive stone all the way around the gardens. The front looks lovely, and after the pool goes in, we will do the same in the back property. Honestly, friends, we could not be happier with our new home. All right, tonight for our simple supper, we're going to have cube steak. I have 3 beautiful pieces already pounded out by the butcher and ready to go. I'm just going to add a little bacon grease to my cast iron skillet. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. Those are my 4 favorite spices that I just love to use with just about any and every meat, even fish. We have it on the salmon and shrimp as well. Put it in the pan and just let it sizzle away. I just give them a quick turnover on the other side. These are done very quickly. This is not only a simple supper, but it is a very fast supper. I go ahead and get ready for plating up here with that good old sauerkraut we have every single night. And a little bit of mustard. We love mustard with our meat. And we got 3 pieces of these cube steaks this time. And so I'm just going to cut one of the pieces in half so we each get a piece and a half. And then broccoli, a little bit of broccoli later. We didn't finish it all last night. So I just threw it on a pan on the back of the stove and heated it up. And this is our simple supper for tonight, and I can't wait to sit down and eat. Thank you so much for joining me today on Super at 60 in our new farmhouse in the forest. You are always welcome here. If you have not already subscribed, please take just a second and press the subscribe button. Thank you for helping me grow my channel. I recently hit over 22,000 subscribers. See you in the next exciting video. Bye now, and Lord bless.